Hello, welcome to the Introduction to Digital Literacy course. I am your instructor, Bisha Spearman, and this is the introduction video located under the course content heading. We will begin with a brief tour of the Blackboard course management system. In addition, I will go over your first assignments, which is the scavenger hunt and the lesson 1 assignment. I will give you a brief introduction of your Blackboard course management system and a brief introduction about myself. So let's begin. If you look here on the left hand side where I'm showing you, this is called your navigation panel. Your navigation panel is sort of like a GPS. And the regards to a GPS, we can actually tell it where we want to go, or it can show us where we're at that moment. Well, the navigation panel is sort of like a GPS. As I've stated previously, it tells us where we are at that moment. So at this particular moment, we are in the course information heading. And if you notice underneath course information, you will see begin here, homepage, announcements, class schedule, instructor information, syllabus, and textbook. Begin here. This is where you will need to begin in order to learn how to use the Blackboard course management system. The Blackboard course management system is new to our Adult Education Center. We are learning how to use it as instructors, and the students are using it in courses. So what it is titled a course management system. A course management system allows us to manage a course online. Instead of adding additional classrooms to a brick and mortar building, we can create courses online, and you can access it virtually from anywhere using a tablet, a mobile cell phone, a laptop, or a desktop. So you can access it anywhere that you have access to a computer. So once we are finished with the begin here, you'll notice the home page. So when you go to your home page, it will look like this. So basically, when you start, you will see the logo for our school. You will see courses. So you will select our course, Introduction to Digital Literacy. This is our course banner. And here you will see our announcements, task, calendar, to do, what's new, alerts, and needs attention. So needs attention, alerts, and to do, these items are what you can place into Blackboard to help you organize yourself and remain organized in the course. As I have stated in our course orientation on campus, it is necessary for you to review study tips and study skills you have learned throughout your different adult education courses. In addition to this course, it is beneficial for you to manage your time wisely. These courses, online courses, are not easier than on-campus courses. They're actually sometimes harder, and it's beneficial for you to manage your time wisely. So if you notice, here are my announcements. You'll also see announcements here listed under course information, and all the announcements is actually announcements. So make sure you read the announcements. They will discuss things such as what we're doing for the week. In addition, it will also tell you what lessons we're learning, if a due date is changed, or if an assignment has changed. If there's a holiday, you need to read these announcements, because if there's a holiday and I post that we have no assignments and you complete an assignment, that's fine, but check and make sure you realize what that due date is. The next one is our class schedule, also known as a course schedule. This is vital for your online course success. You need to click on this link. It will tell you which assignments are due that week, and it will tell you the number of points you will receive. The next one is instructor information. And once you go to this instructor information, it will list my technology and academic interests in order to better help you. In addition, it will list my contact information, my office hours, my virtual office hours, my office phone number, and my email address where you may reach me. It will also list how often I check my email and the amount of time that I need to reply to you. So this is also vital for your online course success. The syllabus is another course information that is vital to your success. The syllabus will help you learn what you are learning in this course. The textbook, so if you go to this link, it will tell you what the textbook looks like and how much the textbook costs and the ISBN number. If you find a textbook that is cheaper than the $24.99 that is the manufacturer's rate, please email me and let me know so I can email your classmates and let them know there is a cheaper textbook. The next section we have is the course content section. If we look under course content, we have course introduction, introduction video, lessons and assignments, my assessments, discussion board, blog, wiki. So under the course content, the course introduction is an introduction to this course. You need to read this. Introduction video is what you are viewing right now. The lesson assignments, here is where you will find all of your lessons and all of your assignments. The scavenger hunt assignment is listed here under begin here. So from lesson 1 to lesson 13, you will find listed under lessons and assignments. My assessments. Your quizzes and discussion board posts will be placed here. So anytime you have a quiz, always go to my assessments and you will find it there. The discussion board is a place where you can go to either ask your classmates questions. You may ask me direct questions. You'll also have assignments where you are required to place a discussion board post based upon what we are learning at that moment. Here's our blog. We will have at least one blog post in this class, which is in the begin here lesson, the scavenger hunt assignment. And a blog is basically an online journal. We have a wiki, which is a collaboration effort. We will build a Netiquette wiki. We will at least have 2 wikis to build. And finally, we have a third heading, which is our final section, student links. You have the AEC Blackboard Help, send email, my grades, course resources, course evaluation. In the AEC Blackboard Help, AEC is the acronym for Adult Education Center. This is where you will find all the help you need for Blackboard. If there's a particular item you need to learn how to use, click on this link. There are various videos and they're all individually created just for you. If you need to send a classmate or myself, your instructor, an email, you would click the send email link. If you want to view your grades, you will click here and view my grades. If there are any other resources you want to learn, such as when we are learning about the Windows 7 system, and you may say, well, I don't have Windows 7, I have Windows Vista, you can go to course resources in addition to what I've already placed in the lesson. So if you have Windows Vista and you don't have Windows 7, don't worry. I will ensure that I place those items in the lesson. But if there's more things that you want to learn outside of the lesson and the additional resources that are listed in the lesson, you will go here and find course resources. You will also find study skills and time management skills. And finally, the last link we have is the course evaluation. Once you have completed this entire class, you will click on the course evaluation. It will be in lesson 14. And you will complete this evaluation, and it just allows me to learn how I may help you better and how I may help other students in the future better. It teaches me what I need to do differently or what I need to keep the same. So let's begin. So we're going to begin here. Let's begin. Before we begin our lessons this week, we will venture through the Blackboard course management system together. So what we are learning is we are learning how to use the Blackboard course management system. Our lesson objectives are: after completing this lesson, the student shall recognize the course links to the left. Utilize the links under the course information, course content, and student link sections. Prepare discussion board post and response, in addition to the wikis and the blog. And finally, utilize the send email link. Prepare an email and send it to the instructor. Now these are created so it does not overpower our lesson 1, and it does not overbear you learning how to use a computer, because I understand you don't know how to use a computer, and that's fine. That's what I'm here for, is to help you. So the first thing we need to do is we need to learn how to use Blackboard. So I have video links listed. So when you see all Blackboard Help Student videos, it's the same thing as we previously discussed in student links under the AEC Blackboard Help. So if you don't want to go through all the videos here, and there's more videos you know you want to go through, click on this link and individually go through all the links. If you prefer to complete the lesson as I have stated, you will go through each link and complete each video. For your assignments, you will read here and click on this folder. Let's begin assignment. You will find your lesson here. And in this lesson, we have the scavenger hunt assignment. So this is a fun assignment. So don't think it's a boring assignment or it's a scary assignment. It's not scary and it's not boring. It's very fun. And you have a brief overview. So read each overview in your course. It will give you a brief information about the lesson or the assignment. For your scavenger hunt, you have assignment instructions. Make sure you read those assignment instructions. Don't miss out on anything. And if you notice, I don't have an assignment link. And the reason why I don't have an assignment link is because I want you to learn how to use your navigation panel right here to your left. So I'm going to give you one freebie. Number 1 says go to the discussion board link. Well, how will you do that? Your navigation panel. So we're going to the discussion board link, and we're going to click on that link and then follow the remainder of the instructions. I hope you have a great time completing this assignment, and I will